Hello, Pierce College students. So the question is how to add classes to your Canvas dashboard. So first, I need to click on CIS portal. Here in the first box, you put your student ID, and the second one is the password and sign in. And then in this list, you should find Canvas. Click on it. Here is just one course, but I have more than one course. To add the courses to my dashboard, on the left side in this list, you see courses. You should click on courses and all courses. Also click on all courses. And then I can see the list of all those courses that I have had since I started college. Here under the term, you find the semester. So now we are in spring 2020. So if you click on the star, you see it is changed to orange. So it turns to orange. So this one is not published, as you see. Even if I click on it, it doesn't turn to orange. But I can find all my spring classes, those who are published, and click on the star next to them to see them on dashboard. So if I go back to my dashboard, now I should see the courses that I have. Here, as you see in this corner, right corner, you see 3 dots. If you click on them, then you can select in which way you want to see dashboard. So it's a dashboard view. This is cart view. You can change it to list view also. In list view, you see the announcements, assignments, or quizzes in a list. But to go through a course, you need to click on the course to see it. So I go back to my dashboard. And also, you can see it as a recent activity page. So if you click on it, you see announcement, conversation messages, assignments in different groups. If you click on announcements, you see all those announcements for all your courses. So if you also want to go through a course, you have to click on their name. And then here you are in the course. So anyway, the best dashboard view that I would personally prefer is card view, because when I have card view, what I can do is to group my courses based on color. So if it's on card view, you see another option that you have here, which is color overlay. So if it's not selected or checked, you don't see the color over the courses. But if you check it, then what happens? There should be a color. And then you can change the color of your courses here. Just click on the 3 dots on every course, and then you can basically organize your classes based on color. What I do here, I have my courses in one color. I have those courses that I tutor in different color. And even I have another color here, which is for CAS. So if you have different classes, so you can use color overlay to manage or group your classes as well. Thank you.